Good morning, students. In the last class, we have completed chapter number 5. We shall pass on to chapter number 6, retirement and death of a partner. Retirement and death of a partner. This is the topic of the chapter. In the last chapter, we studied about the admission of a partner. How a person can be admitted into the partnership, who can be admitted into the partnership, and what are the terms and the conditions to be followed when a partner is admitted into the partnership. All these things we have seen in the previous chapter. Now, we are going to see the retirement and the death of a partner. In this, what is meant by the retirement and death of a partner? A partner who is already in the partnership may want to leave the partnership. In that case, it is called the retirement of a partner. If a partner wants to leave the partnership for some reason, we will see one by one later. For some reason, it is called, technically called here in the chapter, retirement of a partner. If a partner wants to leave the partnership, already he is a partner, he doesn't want to continue in the partnership for reasons, for various reasons. So he wants to leave the partnership, then it is called retirement of a partner. Retirement of a partner. Last chapter, a new person is admitted into the partnership. Now, a partner leaves the partnership. He is going away from the partnership. That's what? Retirement. That is what called retirement. Okay. For what reasons it may be? A partner may retire because of his health reasons. He may be sick. He may be insane. மூல பேர் வச்சுக்கோலாம். Insane. I-N-S-A-N-E. Insane அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Insane. And personal conflict between the partners. A partner may leave the partnership by giving prior notice to the partnership. And the other reason, one of the reasons is death of a partner. When a partner dies while he is in the partnership, it is automatically said that the partner is retiring from the partnership. This is one of the reasons. The death is one of the reasons. Automatically, he is retiring. Suppose A, B, C are the three partners. Partner C dies. And after his death, what happens? It means that the partner who has died is automatically retiring from the partnership. That is leaving the partnership. It is the meaning of it. And we are going to see all those things now under this chapter. Then, what we are going to see in it? What all we followed at the time of partnership, admission of a partner into the partnership, we are following the same adjustments, etc. we followed in the process of admission of a partner. What all we followed in admission of a partner, we follow the same procedure here at the time of retirement of a partner, at the time of death of a partner. All the things will be hold good. Right? Okay, now. The partner when a partner is admitted, he should bring some amount in the name of the capital on his part. He should bring the capital. When a partner retires or dies, the amount due to him should be paid to the retiring partner, or if a partner dies, the amount due to the partner should be given to the person authorized by the partner who died. ஒருத்தவர் ரிட்டையர் ஆகிட்டான்னா அவனுக்கு கொடுக்க வேண்டிய காசு என்னென்ன இருக்கோ பிஸ்னஸில் அதெல்லாம் கொடுத்து தான் அவன் சொல்லுது. சப்போஸ் இஃப் எ பார்ட்னர் டைஸ், செத்துட்டான்னு வச்சுக்கோ, தென் வாட் ஹேப்பன்ஸ்? He should have authorized some person, or naturally because of his heredity or something else like will, there may be a person nominated by the partner who has already nominated a person, and to that person is called executor, and that person should be paid the amount due to the partner who died. So this is the condition. So what we must do? The same thing in the first problem from the exercise. The first problem from the exercise, we shall see some of the points. What all we have seen already is repeated now in the exercise. There are three problems that what we are going to do now. The first one, distribution of accumulated profits, reserves and losses. First one, Deena, Surya and Janaki are partners, sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3:2. On 31/3/2018, Deena retired. On the date of retirement, the books of the firm showed a reserve fund of 50,000 past journal entry. So, you know the columns of journal entry. Date, particulars, debit, credit, all these things. Date, particulars, ledger folio, debit ₹5 and credit ₹5. Debit ₹5 and credit ₹5. This is the journal. Therefore, journal entries. This is the first problem under this chapter from the exercise, from the 6th chapter, problem number 1. Deena, Surya and Janaki. Here the item is, the name of the item is reserve fund. On what date? 31/3/2018. When the date is given, you write it. Reserve fund account data. Data. Deena's capital account. Gina's capital account. The second partner is Surya. Surya's capital account. Third partner is Janagi. Janagi's capital account. The amount given is 50,000. It should be divided among the partners how? In the ratio 5:3:2. 5:3:2. So 50,000 into 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 5/10. For Surya, 3/10. For Janagi, 2/10. So 5 into 5,000, 25,000. 3 into 5,000, 15,000. 2 into 5,000, 10,000. This is the amount. The calculation is given here roughly and write it there. 25,000, 15,000, 10,000. This is how we should write the journal entry, and then the reserve fund is reserve fund divided among all partners in the ratio given. Reserve fund divided among all partners in the ratio given. This is the journal. Very simple. What we studied in admission of a partner is the same here in retirement of the partner also. See the problem number 2. The same thing. Journal entries. Dates. Particulars. Ledger folio. Debit ₹5. Credit ₹5. Yes, the second problem. Radhi retired from the partnership on 1/1/2018. So the date is 1/1/2018. What is divided among the partners? Accumulated loss, it is given, accumulated loss. If the items are profit items, then we can write like this, profit item to the capital accounts. If the items are loss items, the reverse, On the debit, the capital will appear. On the credit, that loss item will appear. See, suppose there is a loss. How you can write it here? Deena's capital account debtor, Surya's capital account debtor, Janagi's capital account debtor to reserve fund account. If there is any loss in it, just I said for example. But here, what is the item given? Accumulated loss. There is a loss in the business, 45,000. And how it should be shown? If there is a loss, I said the reverse journal entry. Who are the three partners? Rosie. Rosie is a capital account. Debtor. Rati is a capital account. Rati's capital account debtor. Rani's capital account debtor. 2. Profit and loss account. Whether it is accumulated loss or accumulated profit, we should state that it is the profit and loss account. We should give in the name of profit and loss account. You must remember. Since it is a loss, the reverse of this entry. If it is a profit here, accumulated profit, we will write profit and loss account debtor to Rosie's capital account, Rati's capital account, Rani's capital account, we will write. What is their narration? That we should write what is written in the book. Accumulated loss divided among the partners. The same narration. Divided among the partners. The same thing. Accumulated loss. There it is reserve fund, here loss. Accumulated loss divided among the partners, among all partners. The same thing you can write. All partners in the ratio given. In the ratio given. Here, what is the accumulated loss? Accumulated loss is 45,000. 45,000. There are three partners. Any ratio given? No. But in the first line you see Rosie, Rati and Rani are partners of a firm sharing profit and losses equally. The partners are equal partners. So 45,000 into, that means 1:1:1. This is the ratio. If the ratio is not mentioned, definitely there must be some idea given that is equally like that. Equally means all the partners are sharing equally. That is 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. That is 1/3 into 1/3 into 1/3. If you simplify this, 15,000. So Rosie is a capital account, 15,000. Rati's capital account, 15,000. And Rani's capital account, 15,000. So from these two problems, what you have understood? What all we have followed at the time of admission of a partner is followed at the time of retirement of a partner also. You should remember that is the main part. Whether it is general reserve, reserve fund, goodwill, accumulated profit, accumulated loss, workman's compensation fund, whatever it is given, then it should be divided among the partners. There is only one small difference. What is that? Generally, there are two partners in the business. The third partner will be admitted newly. So the two old partners will divide among themselves these items. But here there are already three partners. One partner is leaving the partnership, that is retiring from the partnership. In that case, all the three old partners will divide among themselves. So in these two common what? Who will divide all these items, all these accumulated reserves and surplus? The old partners only. In admission also, the old partners divide among themselves. In retirement also, the old partners divide among themselves. There are three old partners. So this is for profits. For profit, that item to capital account. For loss, capital account to the corresponding item. This is the main idea. Here you can write that item divided among all partners in the ratio given. The same thing. Here the item is reserve fund. Here the item is accumulated loss. Divided among all the partners in the ratio given.